Hey, everybody, this is David Bradley, training facilitator and coach with Grant Cardone. I got your Tuesday sales tip in under 2 minutes. Today's tip comes from Grant Cardone's book, The Closer's Survival Guide. Today's tip is mistake number 7. There are 10 reasons closers fail. And number 7 is a biggie. It's a doozy. It's one of the ones that you probably just don't think about or haven't thought about. Let me share it with you. Number 7. No financial plan in place. From the words of Uncle G. Salespeople operate without valid financial plans. Therefore, they lack the proper motivation and underestimate the importance of every close to that financial plan. Fact! If you are just working to make someone else's dreams come true, you will never be a great closer. Ooh. Who are you working for? You working for your goals and dreams? Or are you working for somebody else's? This has been your Tuesday sales tip in under 2 minutes. For more information about our brand new coaching program, shoot an email out to david@grantcardone.com or call 310-777-0352 or visit cardonesolutions.com/coaching. That's cardonesolutions.com/coaching. cardonesolutions.com/coaching. And be great, because nothing else pays.